This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Linda.Bowen.Hughes. Wow! Don't miss out on this one. True log home in quiet setting. Easy entry and main level living west/2 suites and laundry. Charming cabin details like stained glass, built-ins, loft over great room and mini loft in guest bedroom. Large finished basement west/3rd suite and family room. Ample storage plus shed with its own driveway. Most furnishings available on separate bill of sale. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Bowen Hughes at 706-897-2956.